Hi everyone, welcome to the very first episode of Brain Sprouts. I'm Robby and I'll be your guide as we make maths simple, fun and super practical. In this channel we'll start from the basics and move step by step to tricks that save you time and build confidence. Today's first lesson, how to multiply faster by breaking numbers down. Let's jump in. Big question, what's 23 times 15? Before you reach for a calculator, hold on. By the end of this short video, you'll do 23 times 15 and similar problems in your head. I'll show 3 easy methods. Ready? Let's go. First trick, split one number, take 23 times 15. Split one number, take 15 as 10 plus 5. 23 times, open parenthesis, 10 plus 5, close parenthesis, then multiply, open parenthesis, 10 and 5, close parenthesis each by 23, 23 times 10 plus 23 times 5. Bonus, we're multiplying in tens, and if one has a 0, you keep aside the 0 and multiply it with the first number, then add the 0 to the end, e.g. 35 times 10 equals 350, 35 times 1 equals 35, 12 times 20 equals 240, 12 times 2 equals 24, 23 times 10 equals 230, 23 times 5 equals 115. Add them, 230 plus 115 equals 345. Whenever one number is a sum, you know, like 10 plus 5, 10 plus 3, split it, multiply, then add. Quick challenge. Try this now. What's 29 times 15 using the same idea? Pause the video, try it in your head, then press play. When you're done, drop your answer in the comments. I'll check and pin the fastest correct ones. Trick 2. Break both numbers. Split both numbers. Example, 46 times 32. Break them into 40 plus 6 and 30 plus 2. Multiply each pair. 40 times 30 equals 1,000. 200. 2 times. 6 equals 12. 6 times 30 equals 180. 40 times 2 equals 80. Add them. 1200 plus 80 plus 180 plus 12 equals 1472. This grid or box method is great when both numbers are near round tens. Try it now. Pause and try 37 times 24 by breaking both numbers. Type your answer below. I'll reply. Trick 3. Rounding and adjusting. Round one number, then adjust. For 49 times 28, think 50 times 28 equals 1400, but we added one extra 28 because 50 is one more than 49, so subtract 28. 1400 negative 28 equals 1372. Fast and neat. Try rounding. What is 68 times 49 if you compute 68 times 50, then subtract 68? Pause and try. Write your answer below. Now it's your turn. Robby's challenge. Solve these and comment your answers. I'll pin the fastest correct reply and give a shout out in the next video. Ready? 37 times 14. Break one number or both. 64 times 25. Try rounding or split 25 as 100 divided by 4 trick. 58 times 19. Round 19 to 20, then adjust. Tip. Show your method in the comment. That helps me see how you solved it. Robby's challenge. Drop your answers to 37 times 1464 times 25 58 times 19. First 5 correct answers get a shout out in the next video. Please show your method. Drop your answers below. I'll reply by ear and pin the fastest correct ones. Great work today. Quick recap. 3 fast ways to multiply. Split one number, split both numbers, or round and adjust. If you loved this trick, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next lesson. Comment your answers to the challenge and tell me where you'd like to go next. Times tables, fractions, or word problems. I'll be reading your answers. I'm Robby, and this is Brain Sprouts. See you next time.